It's basically a technology to help us follow the players, to see the workloads, how they react to training. You can look at distance covered, different speeds, accelerations. You can look at the internal workload, meaning they can look at the heart rate. Then you can look at the external workload, that means the distance traveled, different speeds, accelerations, and so on. And from there, they have some algorithms within the system that can help detect fatigue. And detecting fatigue will help us in long term prevent injuries in some cases. So it reduces the risk of injuries by a certain percentage. I'm not sure how much, but there is a very positive impact. It's also an extra motivation for the players as well to know what they do and how hard they train. Also in the games, we use them in the games for tactical analysis, and we see the players' movement on the field and compared speeds of training and speeds in the games, and so we know if we have to go a little bit higher in training or maybe take it easy from time to time, but it gives us a very, very good idea about what the players are doing and how they are reacting to our training sessions. So that's the main goal. Actually, it's having science, part of science, but technology, modern technology help us in getting the players ready throughout pre-season for the next 2 weeks and have a good feedback for the games we're going to have in the championship and the cup.